Hey guys, I am going to take you along on a call today where I visited a customer of mine that I've been to multiple times before. They were scared they were not going to have any air conditioning for the weekend. It was a please come out. Today's Friday. Stay tuned. This is the one we're working on here. Access to the air handler is under the house right here. But y'all may hear what I'm hearing, and doesn't sound like the compressor's running. Let's investigate. I will tell y'all, on my Amazon store that I promote, I've been trying to sell these, but for some reason this particular railer magnet I cannot even find on Amazon anywhere. If I could get a link to it and put it on my store. I can find them on Google, but not Amazon. Contactor pulled in. I am not exactly hearing a death buzz from the compressor. I'm gonna go ahead and kill power to this and see if we find any problem either with our connections or that capacitor. It's warm today. It is not even 1 o'clock and we're already over 90 degrees. I'm not complaining because this warm weather has been slow to arrive this year. I feel like we're going to get a heat wave around July 4th and the phones are going to blow up. They do that sometimes. Okay, it looks like my Herm up here is going to be my yellow wire. I know what, before I go reaching in there, I'm gonna short all this stuff out. Okay. This is supposed to be a 70 and 5. I know I just used one of these the other day. So if this is faulty, I hope I have one. I'm gonna put this on microfarads. Try to put it where y'all can see it. I'm getting 116 nanofarads. That ain't good. So let's go look for a 70 and 5 dual capacitor. Clear this up a little bit if we can so we can have better access. This looks like something I may have done. Herm, fan, and my 2 C's. One of these is my run from a blower motor. This comes from run on the condenser fan motor, and this comes from the contactor. on run. Remind me to check that. That felt kind of loose. And 5. And y'all please save the comments about me being green. Okay, let's check this before we plug everything up. 4 spades is going to be my C3. I'm reading 71.5 microfarads, and on the 5, 5.2. So we are good. These people were scared to death they were going to have to go through the weekend with no air. And I'm looking forward to my next customer. They have an ACiQ system that has been, the thermostat has been faulting, saying it's running too long, and nobody seems to know. He's called like 4 different companies out there, and he's seen my videos of me working on ACiQ systems and installing them, so he called me, and that's my next call. And between you and me, I think I already know what it is. And it has something to do with his original complaint. Let's do that. Now, let's hope motors aren't overheated and we can turn it on. Well, that's a good sign. Man, who in the world put those things on there? I'm trying to talk this couple here into dropping their home warranty, because 90% of the time I can't get anybody out here anyway, and the work that they do is shoddy. So I'm trying to talk them into just using me. The last 2 times they have. Alright, it was 77 degrees in there. And for R410, that's approaching 50 degrees at saturation temperature. So this tells me the pressures are probably just where they need to be and that it's hot inside. If it were not hot in there, that I would probably expect something closer to 125 here. And because this is a little bit elevated, it is elevating my head pressure. Once again, I think 325 is something normal. And this coil is clean, so I think we're good to go. If y'all like videos like these, and you like when I show you how to work on air conditioning and stuff, consider liking and subscribing. And if you're a small business owner and you want to start a small business like mine, I do offer classes basically through membership on my channel, where I'm teaching how to set prices, how to get your license, and basically the basics of starting and running a small business. So if you're interested in that, consider being a member. Check out the store in the corner. And I'm an ACiQ dealer now. If y'all want to be an ACiQ dealer, check out the link in the description. And I'll catch you on the next one.